The event reviewed findings from the Extension Services Assessment conducted in March 2024 under the CAPA project. It brought together extension officers, farmers, and stakeholders from the agriculture sector to analyze and provide feedback for the report. The findings from the Grenada Extension Assessment Report are expected to boost efforts by the Ministry of Agriculture to enhance support services for stakeholders, driving efficiency and greater impact within the agriculture sector. Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Agriculture, IICA, welcomed the initiative, as he anticipates improved extension services across the agriculture sector, which will benefit the nation's farmers.
The assessment report indicated that extension services provided in Grenada is predominantly face-to-face interactions and workshops and demonstrations, with a preference to this method over digital communication. However, interestingly, the challenges such as inadequate resources, poor organizational structure, and a shortage in human resources hamper the effectiveness of this program. In fact, the report also spoke to the perception of farmers, and I know that some 22% of the farmers who have been interviewed indicated that the services are ineffective, and they would not basically use the services because basically, they're not getting proper, correct information. So again, it therefore means that we have to use the technology and we have to be out in the field to be able to get the information to provide to the farmers.
IICA's representative for the Eastern Caribbean states, Greg Rawlins, spoke of his organization's contribution towards enhanced agricultural services in Grenada.
For us, this exercise is extremely important in that the work that is being done under the CAPA Objective 3 indeed complements work that we've been doing in Grenada over the last 2 years with the so-called Last Mile project, a project that's being implemented by IICA in collaboration with the Latin American Network for Rural Extension Services and funded by IFAD. And this project has really focused on trying to strengthen the national Grenada National Forum of CAPNet, and we believe that there are obviously a lot of overlaps and scope for collaboration between what we've been doing under the Last Mile project and what will be done under this very important CAPA project. For us in the delegation in Grenada, the assessment exercise is extremely important from two perspectives, and I think Mr. Glean would have highlighted this. The assessment will indeed identify areas where training should be focused to strengthen the extension service so it can provide better support, transfer better information to smallholders, thereby empowering them to improve their production and productivity towards increasing the goals of food security. But also, it provides a document that really identifies some of the key constraints, some of the key gaps that need to be filled if we're going to have a better and stronger extension service in Grenada.
Acting Chief Extension Officer Lawrence St. Louis said this aid from IICA helped to open the door for much better extension service delivery going forward.
Through this project, it at least gives me the teeth, maybe, some data to go to my superiors with to say, well, this is what it is, these are the recommendations, this is how we can move. We don't have to move from 0 to 100, but let's move from 0 to 50. And then we build on what we've been doing.
The event also featured contributions from IICA's representative in Barbados, Alistair Glean, and Sandiford Edwards of Improving Economies for Stronger Communities, IESC. Christina John, GBN News.